In today's edition, we underscore another reason why we truly love MSC as they bring to us Ocean Key, MSC Marine Reserve, the Bahamian Dream. This pristine island will take your breath away. The sunsets, the white sandy beaches, being at one in nature. Oh, so much to enjoy. Come with me as we go on a journey of discovery to La Naturaleza, all that makes island living really, really phenomenal. I bring to you Ocean Key MSC Marine Reserve. Join us as we sail November 21 through to 24th, MSC Meraviglia into Ocean Key.